Hi everyone, Ellen from Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. Today I'm showing you 8 essential iPad features that many people, especially seniors, don't even know exist. These features are all about making life easier, safer, and a lot more enjoyable on your iPad. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Did you know you can triple-click the home button or top button on your iPad to launch helpful tools? It's called the accessibility shortcut, and it gives you quick access to things like VoiceOver, live speech, Zoom, and even the magnifier app. Here's how to set it up. We're going to open the Settings app. We're going to locate accessibility. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and we're going to tap on accessibility shortcut. Here you'll see all of the shortcuts that you have access to. You can go ahead and click on one. For right now, I am just going to leave it as the magnifier. And if I triple click on my home button, it'll immediately come into the magnifier app. And so now, anytime you need one of these features, just triple click on the button. It's so simple and it makes your life easier. Do you ever wish you could just write something down by hand? With Scribble, you can. Anywhere there's a text box, like in Safari or Messages, you can write with your Apple Pencil and it will turn it into typed texts. So to set this up, you want to come into the Settings app, tap on Apple Pencil, toggle on Scribble, and then below that, just give it a try. Tap on Try Scribble. You'll see it'll give it a little example. You write it in, it turns it into typed text. I'm just going to write the word hello. And you'll see immediately it turns that into typed text. Even better, inside the Notes app, you can write your grocery list. Let me come into the Notes app, or a quick reminder and leave it just the way you wrote it. So if I wanted to just write in Apple, if I write in Apple, you'll see that it even fixes my handwriting, which isn't great to begin with. I can write in banana, and it should recognize and write the word banana for me. It's natural, it's fun, it's a great option if typing feels tricky, so give it a try. Notifications can be so distracting, especially when you're reading, relaxing, or FaceTiming the grandkids. That's where focus mode comes in. It lets you silence unwanted alerts at certain times of the day. So to set it up, you want to open the Settings app. You want to choose Focus on the left-hand side. And then you can either create your own by tapping on the plus sign. As you can see right now, I have Do Not Disturb turned on because I'm video recording and I don't want anybody's messages or phone calls to disturb me. So I'm going to just tap into Do Not Disturb so you can see it. So right now, I don't let anybody through or any apps through. If I wanted to change that, I could tap on People, and then I could add particular people that it would then let those people notify me even when I had Do Not Disturb turned on. In the same way with apps, I could hit this and then add an app that I want to be able to get through the Do Not Disturb. The other option that you have is that you can actually add a schedule to this. So if you know that there's a certain time of day that you don't want to be disturbed, maybe when you're sleeping, you can set up a schedule and it will turn on automatically at that time. Now your iPad will know when it's quiet time and let you enjoy your day in peace. Have a great idea? Need to jot something down right away? just swipe up from the bottom right corner of the screen and a quick note will pop up. The first thing we want to do is make sure we have this set up correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and open the Settings app. I'm going to tap on Done just to get rid of the note for a second. Make sure you have multitasking and gestures highlighted. Toggle on the switch that says Swipe Finger from the corner. You have two options here. If you swipe from the bottom left corner, I have it set up for screenshot. You could set it up for quick note if you want. Bottom right corner, the default is quick note. So if I swipe up from the bottom right corner, I'll come into a quick note where I can either type in a note if I want to, or if I hit the little pencil icon, I can scribble it with my finger or with my Apple Pencil. And when I'm finished, I can tap on Done and I can go right back to doing what I was doing. This is perfect for recipe ideas, book suggestions, things to tell the doctor. It's just a really quick way to get into a note, write it down, and know that it's located in your Notes app. Struggling to read tiny print? Your iPad can help. Let's make things easier on your eyes. We're going to go to the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness, and then text size, tap on that, and then you can drag this little button to whatever size you want the text to be. But what I want you to realize is that it's only apps that support dynamic type that it will adjust to the preferred reading size above. But another option that you can do to help is toggle on bold text and you'll immediately see the change. If I toggle it off, that's the normal. But if I toggle on bold text, I can even get better visibility. Now, here's a pro tip. You can even add a text size button to your control center so that you can adjust it on the fly per app. So if I come in to the Messages app, I'm going to swipe down from the right. I'm going to tap on the double A's and I'll adjust that. And you'll see it adjusting behind. I'm just going to go ahead and click out so you can see. So immediately it's bolded and the text is much larger. If I want to put it back to where I had it, I'm coming back into the control center. I'm tapping on the double A's and I'm going to bring it back down to the default size, which is 100%. And now, but I'm still bolded. So it may just make it a little bit easier for you to read. Your iPad can read to you. This is a lifesaver for tired eyes or when you want to listen instead of reading. To set this up, I'm going to swipe out of here for a second. We're going to go into the Settings app, tap on Accessibility. Let me go to the main accessibility page. Make sure you tap on Spoken Content, toggle Speak Selection and Speak Screen On. And then to use this feature, I'm going to come back into Google and I'm going to highlight a piece of text. And when I do, the option, because I turned it on in the accessibility area, the option to speak comes up.
Hi
I
there.
can tap
If
on
you're
that,
looking to master
and I don't
Safari
know if
on
you
your
can
iPhone
hear
or
it,
iPad
but it's
and make
reading
your
it
web browsing
now.
more
And
enjoyable,
if I want it to
safer,
stop,
and less
I can just
distracting,
drag it
you're in the right
again.
place.
It'll
I'm Ellen
come up
from
and
Ellen's
I
Tips
can
for
tap
iOS.
on pause. If I want to read the whole page, all I need to do is swipe down with two fingers from the top of the screen and
All
it'll
folders.
start reading
Ellen
the
Sweeney's
whole page.
Workspace.
Whether
Board.
it's an
Automations.
article, email,
Kit.
or recipe,
2025
your
Safari Tips
iPad
Seniors Love.
becomes a
Ellen's Tips for
personal
iOS.
reader.
Newsletter
To turn it
Signup
off,
Suggestions.
I'm
New
going to
tab.
tap on this
Accessibility
little
menu.
gray icon
2025
in the
Safari
upper
Tips
left
Seniors Love.
corner,
July
and then
7th,
I'll tap on the
2025.
X, and now it'll stop reading. Want to send a photo to a family member without emailing it or texting it? AirDrop is your friend. It lets you share photos, documents, and links instantly between devices. So here's how to do that. Right now, I have a PDF opened from the Files app. So let me show you. I'm going to tap on Done, and I'm inside of the Files app. And so I just opened a document. If I tap on the share icon, the square with the up arrow, and I choose AirDrop, you'll see the devices that I can share this with. So I can tap on Ellen's Tips for iOS. My device then will get a message. I can choose to say accept, and then that automatically will be sent to that particular device. You can also do it with photos. So let me bring up the Photos app. I've selected 3 photos already. I'll tap the share icon. Again, I'll tap AirDrop. I'll see that my devices are here, and then any other devices that are nearby. So family, friends, you'll see their devices, and then you just tap on the one you want to send it to. It'll ding on their particular device and ask them to accept it. They'll accept it, and then those photos will be transferred to their device. No fussing with attachments, just fast, secure sharing. Ever accidentally tap the wrong button and exit an app by mistake? Guided Access lets you lock your iPad into one app so you or a loved one can focus without distractions. To set this feature up, we'll open the Settings app, we'll tap on Accessibility, scroll down until you see Guided Access, make sure that the toggle switch is turned on. You can check out these other settings, but for right now, I'm going to leave it as is. And now I'm going to open an app that I want to use Guided Access on. So I'm going to open up my Mail app, and then I'm going to triple click the Home button or the Side button. So I'm going to triple click. It takes me into Guided Access. I have to tap on Start. Now I have to enter a passcode. So I'm going to give it a very simple 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to enter it again. And now I'm in Guided Access, and I cannot exit this app no matter what I do until I triple click on the Home or Top button again. It'll ask me to enter the passcode. That's why you want to make it easy to remember. And once it does, it takes you to the option screen where I can tap on End, and I'm back out of Guided Access. And this is perfect for things like Zoom calls, reading apps, or if you're letting your grandchildren play games on your phone or iPad. Once activated, you won't leave the app until you end the session. No more accidental taps. Which of these tips will you try first? Your iPad can do so much more than you think, and once you know these tricks, it becomes even a more powerful tool for staying connected, organized, and entertained. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPad and iPhone tips, especially made for seniors. And if you want to save these tips, I've added a link in the video description to sign up for my newsletter. All of my newsletter subscribers receive the PDF handout every single week. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.